Hi, I'm Steve Beatty, President of the BREA, and on behalf of the officers and the Executive Committee, welcome back for another great year. There are three important things we want everyone to remember for this year as initiatives and programs of the BREA. The first is the Teach NJ. A lot of things, of course, this year will be changing with the evaluation system. We want to make sure that everyone is prepared and supported. Please go to our website, brea.org, for a full list of workshops and events and training sessions to help you, and of course, always see your reps for any other help you may need. The second is the election in November. We keep saying the stakes couldn't be higher, and this year, none the less true. Please go to njea.org for the full list of the 100 endorsed candidates that are politicians, both Republicans and Democrats, that support our educational positions on those issues. And the third is continuing to provide you the unparalleled level of advocacy you've come to expect. So again, go to your reps for any issues you may have. We're the first people you should be getting in contact with when anything arises that you have questions about. And also like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter at BREA President. Have a great year. Hope to see you soon.